Hello, good day, welcome back to my kitchen. I'll be showing you how I do my suya pepper right now. So this is my half cup of groundnuts without no oil added. So this is my normal hot chili pepper, paprika, then my ginger, garlic powder, my seasoning powder, and my black pepper. So I'll be adding 1 spoon each to this groundnut. This groundnut I'll be grinding it right now with my blender. This is my blender. Just blended the groundnut right now, so I'll be mixing it with the red spices. Watch me as I do. Mix together.